Môre. Nou kyk wat gebeur nou in New York. Kyk wat gebeur. New York Police Department is educating the public on how to properly wear a hijab. When you put it over and over around your face. Why is the New York Police Department help to promote Sharia law? Kom ons kyk 'n bietjie.
So I'm going to give a little example. So ideally, there's different ways, by the way. You can fit it how
Okay,
you
this
want
is
to.
New York Police
Take
Department.
one side short, one side long, right? And then you put it over and over around your face. And some ladies get creative. You can put a pin. I freestyle everything I do, as you can see. And then I just tuck it in right here. And you wrap it around to your quarters. Make sure your bosom is covered. There's different ways, but this is the most simple way that you can wear it.
Oh, kyk nou net daar. Kyk nou. Is die mense besig om te convert na Islam toe in New York? Wat gaan hier aan? Oh my goodness. Is hulle besig om 'n vrou te stenig? Oh my goodness, ek kan nie dit kyk nie. Ek kan nie daai video vir julle wys nie. Oh my word. Ek kan nie. Kyk nou hier, dis nou ai. Kyk nou hier. Wat gaan hier aan? Ja nee. Ja nee, kyk, as hy sê 'n glas is afval, dan lyk hy so, as hy sy glas is op sin, dan lyk dit soos Osama bin Laden. More of my work. Ja. So, ons het nou gesien so ons sy nou die vrou genoem. Ons kyk wat gebeur nog.
Yes,
Wat op aarde? New York het 'n sirkus geword.
You wanna turn your?
Ek kan dit nie glo nie. Sê die video nou klaar.
You wanna turn your face a little bit this way? Yeah. Wow! Congratulations! Wow! Look good.
Assalamu alaikum. We are super excited to be here at World Hijab Day. We're excited to interact with the students. We're excited to interact with the public to show them that a Muslim woman is strong, resilient, and we can do whatever we want.
Assalamualaikum. Today's Hijab Day, or Sabko Hijab Mubarak or Hijab Day Mubarak, or just be who you are with the hijab.
Assalamu alaikum. We're happy to be here to show our support to these girls and encourage them to be who they are. Thank you.
शो कर रही हैं अपने रिलीजन को प्राउडली एज अ मुस्लिम अमेरिकन.
Let's kyk wat sê die comments. I may please explain why Muslim women are required to wear a hijab to cover their hair and burqas to cover their bodies. The US population has no idea real reason. It's not fashion. religion, cultural or desire by women, but it's not about tempting men to rape. Grok got it wrong. It's all about control. It's all about control. Gaan nie oor mans wat vrouens vir rape goed nie, maar dit gaan oor beheer. Die vrou word nie as 'n baie hoë klas mens gesien nie. Waar in ons Christendom God het die vrou gemaak om langs die man te staan en hom te support. Maar in die moslim wêreld is die vrou skaars werd, skaars iets werd. So wat sê hulle Somali living in the US? We don't want to assimilate. We don't want to be like you. Okay? Goeie ene. Goeie ene. If Sharia laws allows for marrying a 99-year-old, shouldn't those asking for Sharia be put on some sort of predator list? Ja. Mamdani, vliegtuig. Ja. Goeie een. Daar's nie plek vir transgenders in die moslim wêreld nie. Hulle sal baie vinnig uitgesort word. Baie vinnig. Wat sê hierdie ene? Why would you think? It's because of Islamic, Muslim, communist Zoran Mamdani. The people that voted for this guy will soon regret it. Zoran Mamdani says he absolutely will not be sworn in on the Constitution as New York law requires. I will only swear an oath to Allah. That's my right as an American. Kom het. Amerika is besig om ge-islamized te word en het gaan in New York en het gaan afbeweeg. Julle het nog nie gesien hoeveel mosques is daar al in Texas nie. Dis skrikwekkend. Ja, nee, hierdie, kyk, World Hijab Day is maar net, but an effort to make it more acceptable to women who have to wear this every year now. Liberal women are sheep. Ja, kyk, hierdie dag is maar net 'n ding om Islam te promote. Dis al wat dit doen. Dis al wat dit doen. Dit doen niks anders as promote Islam nie. En Islam is 'n terrorist religion. Ek sal nie sê religion nie, ek sal sê dis 'n ideology. No more social security checks for illegals. Ja. Wat sê hierdie ou? Osama, here is your newsletter of the week. Communist Muslim to become mayor of New York City. Osama, anyhow, I won. My American friends, it's now time to be worried. We are taking over. So kom ons lees gou wat sê hulle hierso. Marxist.org is a global communist coup. The revolutionary power which will socialize the instruments of labor taken from the capitalist class will have to mount guard over the general interest of society served by the socialized industries, in particular over the interest of those directly engaged in them. Dit is by Paul Lafargue, Socialism and Nationalism, in 1882. Dink is dit geskryf. Seker uit 'n boek uitgevat. Ja. Ja, julle. Sal vir julle sê, women in Islam or a minority of the inhabitants of heaven, or the majority of the inhabitants of hell, or deficient of intelligence. Check nou hier. Dis nou, hierdie is nou alles uit hulle, uit al die Islam boeke nou net, hè? Or deficient in religion, can be beaten by husband, can marry before hitting puberty, can marry a sex slave, can't deny the husband's call to bed, can't lead, can't pluck their eyebrows, can't wear perfume, can't wear makeup, can't object to the husband's will to polygamy, can't marry non-Muslim, unlike Muslim men, can't leave house without husband's permission, court witness is half of a man, inheritance is half of a man, must breastfeed non-relative adult men to become unmarriageable to her in case they have to be in the same place together. What? Oh my soul. Dit is dan verskriklik om 'n moslim vrou te wees, hoor. Ja, ja, kyk. Polisie ry kamele. Ja, New York City is in the dumpster. So ek wonder wat gaan Donald Trump doen in hierdie geval? Hy kan seker niks doen nie. Ek meen, is New York City nie in die demokratiese staat nie. Dink so. I pray all of our Christian ancestors forgive us. I seker Catholic. What? We are doomed. Ja, nee, kyk. World War I, hulle bomme gegooi. World War III. Gooi hulle LGBTQ. Multiracial en dan hijabs op al die mense. Alles wat met die Western values conflict. Ja, nee, kyk. Ek dink hier kom Shira Laws op die hande van New York. Op die hande. Gaan nie meer lank wees nie. Wel, dis klaar verby met hulle. En as ons as Suid-Afrika nie gaan opspring en iets doen nie, gaan dit ons ook baie hard tref. Ek sien daar's reeds baie opstand wat gebeur in Suid-Afrika. Maar ons regering maak dit onmoontlik vir ons as mense van Suid-Afrika. Ons regering het geskree, bring of kom ons vat Israel na die hof toe. Kyk wat gebeur nou. Al die Palestynë word hier afgegooi. Nou ja, toe mense, ek wou net vir julle hierdie gewys het. Dit is nou vir my vrek interessant gewees. Mag Here julle seën. Mag julle 'n lekker dag hê. Goodbye.